Neck exercises are a part of almost any neck pain treatment plan. A typical neck exercise program will include a combination of stretching and strength exercises, aerobic conditioning, and possibly trigger point exercises. This video focuses on neck stretches and exercises to reduce neck pain caused by posture problems. Keep watching. Number 7. Neck rotation. Keeping your back straight and your shoulders still, gradually turn your head to the left as naturally as possible without increasing the pain. When the head reaches its limit of rotation, hold the stretch for 5 seconds and then return to the neutral position. Then repeat the same stretch to the right. Of all these stretches known for neck stiffness, rotations are often the most difficult, especially on one side or the other. If all can be done without increasing the pain, only semi-rotation of the neck is recommended. Number 6. Lateral neck flexion. Slowly tilt your head to one side, such as the left ear to the left shoulder. During this movement, the shoulders and back remain stationary while the neck bends to the side. Once your head is bent enough to move comfortably to one side, try to hold the stretch for 5 seconds, then return your head to neutral. Then repeat this stretch in the opposite direction. When performing a side bend in the neck with the head tilted towards the left shoulder, a stretch will be felt on the right side of the neck. Number 5. Neck flexion. Gradually lower your chin to your chest and look down, only moving your head. After bending your head forward as far as possible, hold the stretch for 5 seconds, then return to the neutral position. Stretching of the cervical curve is felt throughout the neck. Number 4. Neck extension. Gently stretch your neck as you look up and throw your head back, keeping your shoulders and back stationary. Once your head has moved as far back as possible without increasing pain, try to hold the stretch for 5 seconds before returning your head to the neutral, starting, position. With neck stretches, the stretch is felt through the neck along the front of the neck. Also, feel the neck muscles from the base of the skull to the upper back. Number 3. Shoulder shrugs. Start by looking straight ahead. Slowly raise your shoulders. Hold for 5 seconds, then return to the starting position. Repeat 10 times. This is a good move to do while working, especially if you have to keep your head in a steady position for long periods of time, such as working at a computer. Do this stretch every half hour to prevent neck strain. Number 2. Tilted forward flexion. Start by looking straight ahead. Slowly lower your chin to your chest. Hold for 5 seconds, then return to the starting position. Repeat 10 times. This is a good stretch to do while working, especially if you have to keep your head still for long periods of time, such as working at a computer. Do this stretch every half hour to prevent neck strain. Number 1. Towel pull. Wrap the rolled towel around your neck, and grasp the end with your hands. Look up as slowly as you can while rolling your head on the towel. Gently press the towel to support the cervical spine as you stretch your head back. Do not hold your position. Instead, return to the starting position. Repeat 10 times. Before we start the next part, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more informative videos. How often should you do neck stretches? For acutely stiff necks that are particularly painful and difficult to move, it may be helpful to simply try each of these steps before resting. These stretches can then be attempted again after a few hours or the next day. Over time, these stretches may begin to feel more comfortable and can be increased by, for example, holding the stretch for 10 seconds or doing more sets. At each step, it is important to remember that the goal is to improve neck mobility and function, not increase pain. After the initial relief of neck pain and stiffness, more complex neck strengthening and stretching exercises can be performed in the long term to reduce the risk of pain recurrence. Benefits of neck exercises. When the muscles of the neck, chest, and upper back become weak, tight, or stretched, the shoulders may round, and the head may fall forward. This poor posture, in turn, puts more stress on the facet joints and discs, as well as the muscles and ligaments of the cervical spine. Poor posture, with the head tilted too far forward, can lead to chronic or recurring neck pain, which can also be accompanied by joint stiffness, upper back pain, shoulder blade pain, and headaches. Fortunately, a neck exercise program can help with most of these symptoms, as follows. Neck stretches. Flexibility and stretching exercises can increase or maintain the range of motion and flexibility in the affected neck joint, thereby reducing the stiffness that accompanies pain. In general, neck stretches are best done daily, and some stretches can be performed several times a day. Neck strengthening. Specific strength exercises can help maintain improved posture, which in turn can reduce or prevent recurring pain. Generally, neck strengthening exercises should be done every other day to give the muscles time to recover. Aerobic conditioning. Aerobic exercise, commonly referred to as cardio, provides a constant intake of oxygen and maintains a high heart rate and respiratory rate during exercise. Aerobic exercise increases blood flow to the muscles and soft tissues of the neck and upper back, helping to relax muscles and increase the range of motion. In addition, the body's natural pain relievers, called endorphins, are released after about 30 minutes or more of aerobic activity to help relieve neck pain. Aerobic exercise is good every day. Some good options are using a treadmill, stationary or elliptical bike, and an upper body ergometer or arm bike. For someone who hasn't done cardio in a while, a brisk walk can be a good place to start. Share your ideas and experiences about neck pain in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.